Okay, I'm at a car wash in Texas. I'm walking along the side of the car wash. Hello there. Hello. Oh, one's droopy. Let him come in, bitch, then I'll leave. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. Hi, guys. Or girls. Oh, that you're a guy. You're a guy. You're a guy. You're all bulls. Because I think Longhorn females have the horns too. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Are you caught? You're not caught. You're okay. Okay. You're okay. You guys are okay. We could have parked over there for a quicker getaway because there's a cop in line here. We don't like this. Oh my God, that spotty one back there is really big and tall. Can't see on my screen. Hope you see the spotty longhorn. He might be my favorite. He might be my favorite. Okay. It's a great day. Great day in Texas. Uh-oh. Employee sees me. I'm out of here. Bye.